Have you ever listened to Americans talk and heard strange vocabulary? In this series, I'm going to give you some of the most common and interesting words from the USA. I'm John, and today we're going to study American vocabulary. Busted. This lesson is sponsored by Preply. Click the link in the description for 50% off your first lesson with a native English speaker. Emily and Mark are friends. They're talking about the news. Hey, Mark, have you heard the latest news? No. What's up? You won't believe it. Donald Trump got arrested. Wait, what? Are you serious? Yeah, they said it was for multiple charges. The whole internet is buzzing about it. Wow, so Trump is officially busted, huh? Quiz time! What does busted mean? Praised by people? Campaigning for president? Caught doing something wrong? Lying. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Caught doing something wrong. Teaching moment. In the legal sense, busted means to be arrested or caught in the act of doing something wrong. It's a casual and informal way to refer to someone who has been taken and arrested by the authorities. It implies that someone is going to jail. We can use it as a verb, to bust someone, or with the passive, to be busted. Examples. The police busted him for selling illegal goods. The local thief was finally busted after a string of burglaries. They busted him for speeding. He was busted for cheating on the exam and failed the class. English extras. This is extra information from the video. Rewatch the video to learn more. The latest. The most recent. What's up? What's happening? Got arrested. Was caught by the police. Buzzing. Talking. High energy. Thanks for watching, and thank you, channel supporters. If you have an opinion or a question, leave it in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.